All right, so I did add windshield wiper fluid. I think I changed the wipers several months ago, so that's not required. And this time I checked the air pressure and it said it was at 41, except for one tire was a little bit higher, but whatever. So no need to put air in the tires. In case you're wondering, yes, indeed, this is a manual foot pump. I tend to like to use that method more than using the electric ones because they'll just last a little longer. Okay, there you are, all washed. I'm not sure how much good it does me if it rains, but okay. I mean, it needed to be washed somewhat, and it does look nice. Other than there's some rock chips. That's kind of expected nowadays. And I think I mentioned this before, but I took off the air wheels and put on the little caps. So there you go, mag look. Onward, upward. Okay, front seat, OPARAY. Actually, much cleaner compared to what it was before. There we go, OPARAY back seat. Yes, I did move the booster. I just noticed there's actually more foot space for the middle seat in this car, and ever so slightly more room to put on the seatbelt. Yes, Model Y is just ever so slightly bigger. There you go, OPARAY trunk space, so to speak. It's not really a trunk because it's an SUV, and so there's no deck lid. Although there is a spot you can put a particle shelf in. I usually run without it. There you go. Man, what a lot of space. Okay, here we are looking at OPARAY SubTrunk. It's just ever so slightly bigger. And these cubbies, man, you don't get this kind of space in Model 3. In case you're wondering about the scratches, I was driving over by Houston and there was a styrofoam sheet that was laying on the highway, and a car or truck went by, picked it up, and I watched as it came slow motion, wiped here, and scratched here. Yeah. Maybe a paint correction is in the future, huh?